Hey guys, it's Jesse, and today I'm showing you how to build this race car bed. This is a really fun build. I think it's nostalgic, and I love a good theme to a bedroom set. And I never had one of these beds growing up, but I always wanted one. One problem I kind of ran into with this was I wanted to add actual wheels to the bed frame to kind of, emulate an actual race car. The problem with that is that it just raised the bed frame too high, and I decided to go with the round tiles for kind of a more cartoony look, but I think it turned out really cool. I hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, there is a full parts list at the end, and don't forget to smash that like button for me, subscribe if you don't already, and as always, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at brickdesigned.